Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel for a new video. This time I'd like to show you how to download YouTube videos very quickly and very easily within 4 steps without downloading any software. It's an online website. Through the website you can download any YouTube video from YouTube. So this is the website. I'll leave the link in the description, of course, ytbvideoly.com. So when you come to the website, you just need 4 steps to download the video. I'd like to read what the website says about itself, and as I try the website, what is written by the website all is true. Actually, it is, if you want to download a video or audio for free or save live stream from your favorite channels, this is the best website for you. It's free online video download. It's designed in a way that is very easy to use on any device, whether on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. This is the best, and it's free and limited. These are some key features of the website: free high-speed video download, unlimited download, ad-free, that's very important, fast YouTube video converter, security guarantees, support all devices. These are the steps. First step, you need to copy the link of the video, then you have to paste here, then you just click download, and then you choose the format that you want to download. Let's try it. Okay, first you need to go to the YouTube website and choose the video that you want to download. Okay, let's go to a video, and let's say we will download this video. We just need to
don't do this.
Click on the link,
Or this.
copy the link,
Definitely not this.
And welcome everyone, Dr.
Then we will go to the website, paste the link or URL here, wait a few seconds, then here you have 2 options. You want to download the video or you want to download only the audio of the video. So for the video you have 2 different qualities: 1080 pixel and 720 pixel. It depends which one you want or you like. Also for the audio options you have 2 other options. You can choose any one you like. Imagine that we would like to choose this. We will try both of them. Let's try this one. Okay, we'll choose this one to make it faster. You just need to click convert, then you click download.
And welcome
A
everyone,
new
Dr. Mandel here
window
with
will
you.
be open for you. You go and click on these 3 dots. It's not finished yet. Let's see. You click on these 3 dots and click download. Your video will be downloaded. Okay, let's play the video.
And welcome everyone, Dr.
Yes,
Mandel
that's the
here
video
with
that
you.
we
Hopefully
downloaded
you're
just
having
now.
a good.
Let's try the audio. Okay, this time we will try the audio. Okay, we will choose this one to make it fast, as we said. Convert, download,
And
a new
welcome
window will be
everyone, Dr.
opened.
Mandel here with you.
Let's make silent. Okay, click on these 3 dots, download. It takes a little bit of time. We will wait. As you see, the download is over, done. Let's just play it.
And welcome everyone, Dr. Mandel
As you
here
see,
with
it's
you.
the audio
Hopefully
of
you're
the
having a
video that
beautiful
we
day
just
or night.
downloaded.
I want to say hello. We are streaming live.
So very easily download YouTube videos within 4 steps for free and limited. At the end, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed and benefit from my video, but don't forget to like the video, subscribe my channel. Bye, have a nice time.